Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making cashew nut cookies. For this we need maida or all-purpose flour, castor sugar, butter, baking soda, cashew nut powder and cashew nut for garnishing. So take a strainer, add refined flour, 125 grams of refined flour. Now add sugar, approximately 75 grams of sugar, castor sugar, add 50 grams of butter, and mix all the ingredient very well. Now add 2 teaspoons of cashew nut powder, mix it again, add a pinch of baking soda and make a dough. If you are not able to make a dough, you can add 2 to 3 teaspoons of milk and make a normal dough. Use fork to make a design. Garnish with cashew nut. Similarly, take small portion of dough, roll it. I am using one mold to make a different shape of cookies. And now take baking tray, grease it, and on preheated oven bake it. Your cashew nut cookies is ready. Thank you.